Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MetaMask, secure guide step by step clearly. To log into MetaMask, first, ensure you have the MetaMask extension installed on your browser. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the official MetaMask website to download it. Once installed, locate the MetaMask icon in your browser's toolbar and click on it. If you already have a wallet, select the Import Wallet option. Enter your seed phrase in the designated field. Ensure that the seed phrase is entered accurately, as it is crucial for wallet recovery. After entering the seed phrase, create a strong password to secure your wallet. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Click on Import to proceed to your wallet. If you're creating a new wallet, select the Create a Wallet option. Follow the prompts to set up your new wallet, which will also include a seed phrase generation. Safeguard this seed phrase in a secure location, as it will be essential for recovering your wallet. Once you're set up, you'll be taken to your wallet's main dashboard. From here, you can view your account balance and transactions. To interact with decentralized applications, click on the Connect button on the respective app's interface. Make sure to authorize any connections made between MetaMask and the applications you use. You're now successfully logged in and ready to use MetaMask for your transactions and DeFi activities. Always ensure you log out after use, especially on shared or public devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.